Good morning, students. I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 7 maths exercise 2C. Class 7 maths division of fractions. Reciprocal of fraction. What is meaning of reciprocal of fraction? Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Example, 2 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7 by 2. 2 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7 by 2. So, 2 by 7 and 7 by 2 are called reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal of each other. Since their product is 1. If A by B is a fraction, then B by A is called its reciprocal. Since the product of A by B and B by A is equal to 1. One noting point is here. Reciprocal of zero does not exist. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Remember, student. Now, exercise 2C. So, one time, 2C. Question number first, write down the reciprocal of first 5 by 8. Solution is 8 by 5 answers. Question number 2, 7. Solution is 1 by 7 answers. Now question number 4, 12 whole 3 by 5. Solution, 12 whole 3 by 5 is equal to 63 by 5. 12 5 plus 60 plus 3, 63 by 5. Therefore, the reciprocal of 63 by 5 equal to 5 by 63. So your answer is 5 by 63. Student, so here 8 by 5 can also be written as 1 whole 3 by 5. Because in your answer says 8 by 5 is not given, 1 whole 3 by 5 is given. But 8 by 5 or 1 whole 3 by 5 both are same, so both are answer. 1 point. Now question number 2. Simplify. Now question number 1 up to 4 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. 4 by 7 multiplied 14 by 9. Yes, students, when sign is changed from division to multiplication, then position of numerator and denominator is also changed. So 14 is here as a denominator, but changing numerator, and 9 is as here numerator change into denominator. 7 only 7, 7 to the 14. 4 to the 8 by 9 answer. Question number 6. 3 over 3 by 5 divided 4 by 5. 5 to the 15. 3. 18 by 5 divide 4 by 5. 18 by 5 multiplied 5 by 4. 5 is cancelled. 2 to the 4. 2 9 is 18. So 9 by 2. 4 whole 1 by 2 answer. Question number 9. 15 whole 3 by 7 divide 1 whole 23 by 49. 57 is 105 plus 3 180 by 7 divide 49. 1 is 49. 3 9 3 12 9 1 4 2 6 1 7 72 by 49. 108 by 7 multiplied 49 by 72. 7 only 7. 7 7 is 49. 18 4 is 72 and 18 6 is 108. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So answer is 3 7 is 21 by 2. Therefore 10 whole 1 by 2 answer. 3 7 is 21. 1 2 is 2. Now question number 3. In question number 3, it is divide. Here question number 1 of 3. 11 by 24 by 7 by 8. Here it is division also. 11 by 24 divides, because divide is given in question, 7 by 8. 11 by 24 sign change, so position of numerator denominator is also changed. 8 1 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 11 1 is 11 and 3 7 is 21 answer. Question number 6 of 3. 63 by 2 whole 1 by 4. Solution 63 divide 2 whole 1 by 4 equal to 63 divide 4 to the 8 to 1 9 by 4. 63 multiplied 4 by 9. 9 1 is 9. 9 7 is 63. 7 into 4 28 answer. Now question number 4. This is language problem, student. A rope of length 13 whole 1 by 2 meter has been divided into 9 pieces of the same length. Length of rope is given here 13 whole 1 by 2 meter and it is divided into 9 pieces. of the same length. What is the length of each piece? Student, here we divide 13 whole 1 by 2 meter by 9. Then answer is given here. Student, the length of original piece of rope equal to 13 whole 1 by 2 meter. That is 13 whole 1 by 2, 27 by 2 meter. Number of dividing pieces is equal to 9. So therefore, length of each equal piece of rope is equal to 27 by 2 is divided by 9 meter. 27 by 2 multiplied 1 by 9 meter. 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 3 1 is 3 by 2 meter. 1 whole 1 by 2 meter is answer. So length of each small piece is 1 whole 1 by 2 meters. Now question number 6. Because difference for here. Question number 5 is same as question number 4. 18 boxes of nails weigh equally and 18 boxes of nails weigh equally and their total weight is 49 whole 1 by 2 kilogram. How much does each box weigh? This one also here, for getting the weight of each box, we divide 49 whole 1 by 2 by 18 boxes. Then we will get answer. Question number 5 is same as question number 4. Question number 5 is same as question number 4. Now question number 6. By selling oranges at the rate of rupees 6 whole 3 by 4 per orange, a man gets rupees 378. How many oranges does he sell? Students, here number of oranges is required for answer. And the price of each orange is here rupees 6 whole 3 by 4. In rupees 6 whole 3 by 4, we get only one oranges. Then how much oranges we get? How many number of oranges we get from rupees 378? If the cost of one orange is here, then what is the total number of oranges getting here? Is rupees 378. Since rupees 6 whole 3 by 4 is the cost of orange, cost of number of orange is equal to 1. Remember student, rupees 6 whole 3 by 4 is the cost of number of orange is equal to 1. Therefore, rupees 1 is the cost of number of orange is equal to 1 divided by 6 whole 3 by 4 is equal to 1 divided 6 4 is 24 3 27 by 4. So 1 multiplied 4 by 27, therefore 4 by 27 is the number of oranges that is getting in the rupees 1. Again, therefore rupees 378 is the cost of number of oranges is equal to 4 by 27 into 378. Four by 27 into 378. 7 3 10. Yes, 9 3 are 27. 9 4 are 36. 9 2 is 18. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is 12. So 4 into 14, that is 56. Hence, number of required oranges is equal to 56. Answer, student. Now question number 7, just here. Mangoes are sold at rupees 43 whole 1 by 2 per kilogram. Here, student, cost of 1 kilogram mango is rupees 43 whole 1 by 2. Then what is the weight of mangoes available for rupees 326 whole 1 by 4? Then what is weight of mango available in this rupees? And also, we divide this number by this number and we get the weight of mango. This question is same as 6. 7 is same as 6. Now question number 8 is. Question number 8. Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours on foot. In 7 whole 3 by 4 hours, Vikas covered a distance 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometers. How many kilometers per hour does he walk? We also divide this number by this number and then we get the answer. Question number 8. In 7 whole 3 by 4 hours, Vikas can cover distance equal to 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometers. Therefore, in 1 hour, Vikas can cover distance equal to 20 whole 2 by 3 divide 7 whole 3 by 4 kilometers. 23 is 60 plus 2, 62 by 3. Divide 7 4 is 28 plus 3, 31 by 4 kilometers. 62 by 3 multiplied 4 by 21 kilometers, students. 21 by 3. 31 not 31 here, 31. Because in above 31 by 4, so we convert 4 by 31. 31 1 is 31. 31 2 is 62. 2 4 is 8 by 3 kilometer, and that is 2 whole 2 by 3. 3 is 6 to 8 kilometers. Hence, required distance, covered distance equal to 2 whole 2 by 3 kilometer is answer. Now question number 10 is last question. Before going on question number 10, we Describe question number 9 firstly. Pretty bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kilogram of sugar, 4 rupees, 242 whole 1 by 4 rupees. Here, in rupee 242 whole 1 by 4, Pretty bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kilogram sugar. Find the price of sugar per kilogram. In rupee 242 whole 1 by 4, Pretty bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kilogram sugar. And what is the price of sugar per kilogram? Student, we divide this number by this number, then we get answer. And this is same as question number 8. 9 is same as 8. Now question number 10. If the cost of a notebook is rupees 2703 by 4, cost of a notebook, here it is the cost of one notebook. How many notebooks can we purchase? 4 rupees 249 whole 3 by 4. In rupees 249 whole 3 by 4 rupees, how many number of notebook is purchased? So students, solve here. Since the number of purchasing notebook in rupees 2703 by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, the number of purchasing notebook in rupee 1 is equal to 1 divided by 27 whole 3 by 4. 1 divide 27 4 is 100. 27 4 is 102 plus 3 111 by 4. 1 into 4 by 111. Clearly 4 by 111. Therefore, the number of purchasing notebooks in rupees 249 whole 3 by 4